Peppa and George are
Stupid!
No!
going to the playgroup. It is George's
1940.
first day.
George, George, are you looking forward to the playgroup?
God no.
Daddy, maybe George is too
Stupid.
to go to my playgroup.
He'll be fine, Peppa.
There'll be you and Mr.
Dinosaur there to keep him company. Company.
Count that again, Mr. Chubbs.
But I want to play with the big children.
Guess what? This is me not caring.
We're here.
Daddy, are you sure George is
Stupid.
enough?
He'll be fine.
OMG, just kidding, lol, he'll be dead before lunch. I sure hope so because this whole thing looks really stupid. Oh yeah, and Peppa, you smell like sewage.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Madame Gazelle looks after the children at the playgroup.
And also deals swift and ample punishment when they misbehave. Or sometimes just because.
Hello. This is my little brother George.
We do not accept George as one of us.
Oh, golly.
I wish I had a little brother like George.
You absolutely cannot be serious.
Hello, I'm Danny Dog. Is that a dinosaur?
I know you are a dog and all that, but I am going to need you to quit licking your own butt long enough to use your brain, please.
Grrr, dinosaur. Brilliant.
I love you.
Dinosaur. Grrr.
Ah, really scary.
Don't patronize me. Your only purpose in existing is to provide a food source for predators.
That's brilliant. George is my brother.
Back off, you Hillshire Farms reject. I am earning a lot of street cred here and I don't need you blowing this for me.
He's brilliant.
Obsession intensifies.
Peppa is proud of her little brother George.
For the moment.
Shall we show George how we paint pictures?
George is not very good at painting.
Speak for yourself, you cloven-hooved hack.
Well, maybe you could help him.
Good grief, woman, it is only my first day. Why are you torturing me like this?
I will show him how to paint a flower. I will show him how to paint
A farm.
I will show him how to paint
Squidward.
I will show him how to paint.
The best YouTuber in the world.
First you paint a big circle.
No, George, that's the wrong colour.
Now you paint the flower's petals. George!
That's the wrong shade.
Now you paint the stalk and the leaves. George, you have done it all wrong.
You are an embarrassment to everyone.
Now what do we have here?
I've painted a flower.
If I had a nickel for every flower you have painted, I would be able to retire from this awful job and sit on a beach in Mexico far away from annoying little children like you.
And George has painted a dinosaur.
Brilliant.
Peppa, you must be very proud of your little brother.
Yes, I am.
Don't touch me.
Can George come next time?
There are already like 1,000 of you little brats. Want one more?
And what will you paint next time, George?
Dinosaur. Grrr.
Oh, another dinosaur picture?
That's ridiculous.
Well, maybe you can show us all how to paint a dinosaur.
You untalented noobs can paint your own dinosaurs.
Brilliant.
Dude, seriously, you need to step off a bit. You are really freaking me out.